Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Windows 10 and using an admin account so changes stick. Open Start, then Settings, then Personalization and select Background. Once there, you'll see Current Wallpaper Mode, Picture, Slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. Make sure to note which one is active because the removal steps differ slightly. If the Bing image comes from an app or browser extension, leave Settings open and switch to Apps next. We'll disable the source after changing the background. You now change the active background mode to Picture or Solid Color to immediately stop Bing images. Once done, go to Settings Apps and find Bing Wallpaper or similar and uninstall it. This prevents future automatic downloads. Next, open your browsers and disable any extensions that set daily images, and in Edge, turn off New Tab background suggestions. Make sure to restart Explorer or sign out and back in so the changes fully take effect. To finalize, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager or reboot your PC so the old wallpaper is released. You can delete cached Bing images in %local app data folders or the apps data directory to free remaining references. If the wallpaper still returns, make sure no group policy, scheduled task, or enterprise management tool is pushing images. Check gpedit, MSC, or task scheduler. If you hit permission issues, run settings as admin or contact the device administrator and repeat the uninstall steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.